I'm going to make a Happy New Year sign for my newsletter. Let's see how it goes. Okay, here's what I'm working on. I need an image for my newsletter, so I'm doing like a Happy New Year sign, like January newsletter. Mona's over here. She's just making sure I'm staying on track. So I got this more of a liquidy kind of paint, and I'm gonna put it on there. I don't know if I should put a bunch of dots or turn it on and then put dots. What do you think I should do? Okay, because I'm an artist, I am gonna add more paint. I already got a photo, that's good enough, so we can't ruin it now because I already got the photo of how it is now and I like it now, but we'll see. I'm probably going to be happy that I went for it, so I'll just post it when it's done.